Today I'm going to show you how to use an app called Office Lens to have access to text in an assignment or in a book. You're going to be able to simply take a picture of text and then have it read to you. And this app is available both on the iPhone and on Android phones, so it works in the same way, either platform. So what you're first going to do is when you Office Open Lens, it opens to a camera view, and you're going to have the assignment or the text that you want to take a picture of available, and you would go ahead and take a picture of the text. You can say this is a document. You could be taking a photo of something off the whiteboard, or a document, or we're taking a photo, but this is a photo of a document. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm done. Now it allows me to take that photo or document to other places. So if I want to store it in Word, you'd have to download the Word app, or in OneNote or OneDrive. You have that ability. But if you notice, in this list of items is Immersive Reader, and that's something within Office Lens that will convert the text to a format that can be read to you on the spot. So I'm going to click on Immersive Reader. Right now it's scanning my text to make it easier to read. And there you have it. I have a list of instructions for this assignment. And you see at the bottom, you have a pause and play button in the middle. I can click on that button and it will read to me. The format I'm using today to record this mutes the sound of the iPhone, but if I were to touch on that, you can see it being highlighted as it's reading, and it would be reading out loud to you. I'm going to put a link under this video tutorial that shows this exact tool, but you'll also hear the reading of the text in the next video.